today we have another challenge for y'all. Y'all let them know what we're doing.
We're doing the hot wing challenge.
The atomic hot wing challenge from Wingstop, guys. We all gonna have 5 wings apiece, and we're gonna set the timer for 2 minutes and see who can eat them in 2 minutes. So let's get into it. All right, let's put them on our plate. Get your 5. Oh.
Look at that.
These are the wings, guys. Don't they look alike? Yes, sir. 3, 4.
This time it's not a joke. I literally hurt my finger.
5.
So
They hot?
yes.
You want me to help you?
Which fingers you doing that with the finger? You can't be doing that.
No, it ain't with that finger. It ain't with the back. It's here. Here. Take your 5. Oh, no. I'm not licking this. No, sir.
Okay.
Here.
We're going to do it how we doing it. Yeah.
Put yours on there.
What?
Yo, I'm putting some ranch on my plate.
Yeah, I'm not.
You not using no blue cheese?
I'm just going to
Oh,
die
I eat this.
without it. What?
You're not using blue cheese?
I would have, but I don't think it's no time for that.
Yes, it is. It's going to have to be because I got the deal. Is you going to use it or not?
I don't know, because that's this thing.
Oh, we started?
Oh.
We started?
Hey, man.
No, he started. Yeah, he ain't set no timer. Did you set the timer?
Yeah, but I'm not. I
No,
don't think I'm
ranch.
doing it.
Get ready. Come on. We got to do a thumbnail first.
Man, let's do a nose nail.
Come on. It's strong. Come on, Joe.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know what you're doing. All right.
Well, we need 15 seconds to be able to hold the
We got 20
Get me,
minutes.
I'm the timer man, so I need 10 seconds.
How many?
But all right, we're going
Come on. 1, 2. Ain't you going to turn that around for them?
What?
The thing to the
I shall.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
We probably ain't going to show the time how we need to. We're going to be backward.
I know. No. Ah.
I might lose because
Oh my God, what is this?
I don't chew bones. You ready? I already got hiccup. Use blue.
Woo!
Yeah.
I started thinking, like, you just do this for punishment or something? Oh.
Oh my God. Shit. I'm spilling.
I can't. Like that, I usually. No. At this time. No, you gotta come back with your.
What happens, Lauren?
I know, come back.
I burnt my head. I burnt my mouth.
Everything's burnt.
How many minutes we got? Oh, shoot.
I'm starting to think. I was playing basketball or something, and then turned the movie on.
Oh my God.
I ain't make it, but I won. I'm trying to sit it off.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hey, like trying to
Drenched.
trying to
Oh my God.
Drenched.
trying to swallow and like suck in your next breath for the next bite. That don't work. My fingers are so edible looking. They're not. I'm not doing it. These are good
My
ones.
little friend.
I gotta wipe my hands before I do it. And then after I do it, what do I do?
Ah!
Well, come on.
You can't do this and breathe in or swallow. You can't.
Going.
Doing what? Law. Doing law.
Going.
I did good for the first couple seconds and then it all stopped.
This is real bad. I didn't think stores sell this for people. I guess there's been a lot of people that's just like, hey, honey, get your hot asses on. I mean,
Ah!
Okay. Okay, who won?
I won.
No, you didn't.
I swear I won. No, but I won. 1, 2, 3. Bite. 4. 1, 2, 3. 2 whole. 1.
What?
Let me tell y'all.
Hey, two.
I had more chicken on my bones than they did.
I said I might lose in the beginning for that. Because I don't eat bones and veins and stuff.
That's still one.
He barely ate the chicken off his bones.
Bones
Born
and
and
veins?
though.
Bones and veins, bro. Alright, now look. Oh. Yeah, I guess, she might be lying. I ain't telling the truth, but I just don't eat veins and bones, my guys. My guys and gals. Look, how's that teeth? Then I bought.
Oh my god.
I bit.
Okay, look at mine.
See what I'm saying? I bit this one and it's a whole one. Yeah, look at
For
that.
mine, I ate 2.5. Y'all, we not even gonna look at Zorn.
What?
Look at Zorn, y'all. He ain't even touching.
Ooh, I don't know what happened to that one. That was-
Zorn just lost. He lost. But come in the camera so I can see your crazy stuff.
Google new nose and new mouth at
Yeah. Those is hot.
Amazon. Google me.
Okay, you can eat one, be like, okay. I can eat that second one, baby. That one hot.
You can't eat the first one.
I did. I was alright.
No, but you still can't.
Then after that second one,
So when you take a breath after you do that, that's some breath. Because it's all soaked in. You're like, hell yeah, we coming. What?
y'all. So I don't know who won. Y'all let us know who won.
I
Did
should've-
y'all win or did I win?
I should look
Because
my
he
plate.
barely ate the chicken off his bones.
I don't eat bones and veins. I don't.
But he ate more.
I did.
No, he didn't eat more if he barely ate the chicken off his bone.
I just showed the people. They gonna tell you the truth. I have way more everything than y'all. Sauce.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he definitely won. Yeah, he's winning. You still
I didn't eat no ranch or no blue cheese. Or blue cheese either. Alright, y'all.
I got one more.
Thanks for watching. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and
We should just save this
subscribe.
sauce for like if we want to eat something hot. Put it on some chili. That's what it tastes like. It came out of chili pot.
It's sweating so bad, y'all.
my mouth. Alright, Mom, can you promise me not to do any more spicy or hot challenges anymore?
No.
My tongue is burnt, okay? It's not even there.
Y'all, I was just recently saw somebody do this. I said we should do this one. At
Yeah.
least, because I don't know about that hot chip one. I'm scared.
Recently saw somebody do that.
Ah.
You just did.
I bet. All right, y'all. We'll be back with another one. Peace.